Welcome back, little nerds. It is Saturday morning, and today we're going to be covering your top 8 peptides in skincare that can really make a difference for your skin. I'm Dr. Idriss, a board-certified dermatologist, and thank you for joining my channel. But before I dive in, I just wanted to say a very heartwarming thank you from the bottom of my heart for all the birthday love that I got on Instagram this past week. I am officially 42 years old, and in my post, I shared my family's story of how we came to this country, and I hope that it just sheds light that we are all here in the same boat and hopefully all growing and learning together and loving one another in the process. Small other life update. Last week, I was on the Mel Robbins podcast, and that is going to be coming out on February 26th. It's a little nerve-wracking because it was really amazing to see how she does everything and how her team works together. It was super inspiring, but it was a 4-hour recording session. I don't think the podcast is going to be that long. So it's a little nerve-wracking to be like, what the hell did I say during that episode? But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy it. But today, let's jump into the world of peptides and simplify everything. And if you guys want, I have done 2 deeper dives on all things peptides in my previous videos. I've never done a format quite like this. But if you want to understand the science behind peptides, really understand how they work, I will link my YouTube videos below. Starting with issue number 1, which is a lot of redness, inflammation, a barrier disruption. There are certain peptides that can help, and one of the best peptides for this issue is acetyl tetrapeptide 40. This is an anti-inflammatory peptide that helps to support your skin barrier. It helps to downregulate, meaning it calms down inflammation signals in your skin, so your skin is less reactive, less red, your skin barrier recovers faster and better, and it creates a healthier environment for your skin to function at its best level. It is a calming peptide. And honestly, if you're going to take away anything from today, you need to calm your skin down if you want to age well. Because if things are chronically inflamed and disrupted, you're probably going to age faster. So this peptide helps with that. It is in our newest launch at Dr. Idriss in the Left Unread Calm Back Cream. This one retails for $58. You can also find this peptide in Allies of Skin. They have a peptide and antioxidant daily treatment that retails for $125. At number 2, it's actually 2 different peptides. It's going to be 2 and 3, but this is really helping with collagen production and also collagen preservation. So these 2 peptides are often used together, and I'm going to break down each one and before I give you guys a few products. But palmitoyl tripeptide 1 and palmitoyl tetrapeptide 7 are the 2 peptides that we often use together to help with collagen production and preservation. Tripeptide 1 is the one that really helps to support early collagen support. It helps with collagen signaling peptides that is going to create it acts like tiny little fragments of collagen that's going to signal your skin to create newness, and it helps to maintain structure over time. Whereas palmitoyl tetrapeptide 7 is more for collagen preservation in sensitive or stressed skin. It is an anti-inflammatory peptide as well that's going to reduce inflammation signaling in your skin that normally accelerates collagen breakdown. So when you have a lot of inflammation, your collagen breaks down faster. When you calm that inflammatory signal, your collagen will break down slower. So it's not just about making more, it's about breaking down less. And we're going to find the combination of these 2 peptides in, for example, the cult classic A313, that French pharmacy retinol. It has Matrixyl 3000 in it, and it is honestly, I think probably that's why you see those instant gratification effects when you use that particular product. Kiehl's Better Screen sunscreen for $45 also has it, so it's nice to see a sunscreen that has the collagen preservation in mind. At number 4, we're going to talk about your skin texture and how your skin repairs itself. And this is oligopeptide 1. This is a great peptide for your texture and your skin quality overall. And it has growth factor-like signaling peptides that are going to help your skin renew itself and repair itself faster and better. This is really focusing on your long-term skin quality. It's not an instant fix. It's not an instant gratification peptide. This is one that's going to help you in the long run. Paula's Choice Pro Collagen Peptide Plumping Moisturizer has this in it for $49. In Beauty Project's Elastic Skin also has this peptide in it. I think that one's around $50. I'll be linking everything below. We have dark spots, sunspots, you know, the look of melasma on your face. And this is hexapeptide 2, which is a type of peptide that works on pigment pathways and minimizing that signaling, and it regulates your melanin production. It helps to support an even looking skin over time. So this is really a nice one to have in a routine targeting dark spots and brighter skin. Discoloration, I really do believe, is one of the biggest sign, if not the first sign of aging, because every sunspot that you get over time is UV damage from the sun. And that damage, once it's there, so you can at least minimize the visibility of it. Major Fade Active Seal, which is I have it in a weird format. We don't sell this, but this is the Major Fade Active Seal. I have a lot of it because I use it pretty much everywhere, my neck, my chest, my face. It has it in there alongside vitamin C. Murad has a dark spot correcting serum for $72. The Major Fade Active Seal is $58. Number 6, we have expression lines. Lines that people usually treat with Botox, and this particular peptide is usually referred to as Botox in a bottle. It is known as acetyl hexapeptide 8, aka argireline. Now, this is a polish, not prevention peptide. This is a more instant gratification peptide. If I told you guys that oligopeptide 1 was for the long run, was for really long-term skin quality, this is more how do I look better today? And so I would not tell you to spend a lot of money on this particular product, and therefore this peptide is sold for a relatively cheap price and get it through the ordinary. But it does have these neurotransmitter inhibiting like effects, kind of like how Botox would work, and it's going to help to soften your expression lines, soften your muscle movement, and really give you a more polished look, but it's not long lasting. At number 7, we have reactive and stressed out skin. What do I mean by this? Skin that is constantly dealing with pollution, life, stress, weather change, etc. And palmitoyl hexapeptide 52 works for this. It is good as a barrier support anti-stress peptide, and it does help with inflammatory environmental aggressors. And products that have this is Alex Educated Mess. I know that's not her brand. Her brand is Educated Mess, but I always call her by her screen name on Instagram. She is a brilliant cosmetic chemist, but she has the Freeze Frame, which has this in it, and it retails for $95. And Dew Deliverance Serum also has this particular peptide in it for $69. And last but certainly not least, our lips. This peptide is great for texture and fine lines and helping with the appearance of superficial fine lines, and it does give a plumping-like effect. It's never going to replace your volume. Nothing can do that. But this peptide is known as palmitoyl tripeptide 38. And the cool thing about this particular peptide is that it can boost production of six major components of your skin. Collagen 1, collagen 3, collagen 4, hyaluronic acid, and then laminin as well as fibronectin. And on the lips, it can help with your lips looking smoother, more defined, and appearing fuller over time. And this peptide is found in my newest launch of the barrier-based to help with the overall appearance of fine lines on your lips. And there you have it, 8 peptides that you want in your skincare routine to help with the overall appearance of your skin, straight from a dermatologist. Now, if you guys want to learn more about systemic peptides, which is a whole other world that has a lot of red flags and excitement around, let me know in the comment section below and we can dive in the near future. All right, you guys, I will see you later. Have a beautiful Saturday. Love each other. I love you. And know that we're all in this together. All right, I'll see you guys later.